At RE/MAX DFW Associates, you'll find a place you'll be happy to call home. Here's a property listed by your experienced agent, Jeff, and it's brought to you by this sponsor. And it's located in this area. This single-family home provides the comfort and privacy of being on your own lot. Currently listed at just over $350,000. Considering a mortgage for this property? Here are some options with regards to today's interest rates and monthly payments. This property was built in 1994 and features over 2,600 square feet of space, providing plenty of space for you to entertain or enjoy a cozy night in. Inside, you'll find 4 bedrooms, so everyone has a private space to come home to, as well as 3 full bathrooms and 1 partial bathroom. But here's what sets this property apart from the rest. Parents will be pleased to know that it's located near several schools. There are also some valuable features and benefits in this home, like a fireplace for a special way to cozy up or add some ambiance, a vaulted ceiling, making your room seem bigger and giving it a light and airy feeling, and a porch, so you've always got somewhere to hang out and get some fresh air. All these great amenities make for a property that you'll be happy to call home. Courtesy of this sponsor. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more, we'd love to hear from you. Just click here to contact us for more information or share this property with your friends.